Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix you can't follow on TikTok. So if in the case that you can't necessarily follow certain people on the TikTok application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to fix this issue step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what I want you guys to do is to double check actually your internet connection with your Wi-Fi. Now this could actually contribute to certain issues like this if you don't really have stable internet connection with your Wi-Fi. So double checking if you are connected stably is also going to help you solve this problem. Now one more thing is to also double check your cell data, and you can also go ahead and try that instead of your Wi-Fi and see if that is going to work better for you, giving you better connection. So one more thing that we could also do to solve this issue is clearing the cache of the application. So I would like you guys to go ahead and launch the TikTok application, tap on your profile, and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner, tapping on settings and privacy, and I want you to go ahead and scroll down to the cache and cellular. Now tap on free up space, and I want you to go ahead and clear the cache of this application. Now go ahead and just clear the cache. You could also go ahead and clear the drafts as well if you'd like to, but essentially clearing the cache will give you so much more help to follow people and solve this problem. And one more thing that we could also do is to make sure that we are using the latest version of TikTok. So go ahead and try to launch the App Store and basically make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok. Now, ensuring this will actually fix certain bugs like this, giving you the best user experience possible, and also more features is going to be added to your application. So make sure that you're using the latest version, and if you do have an update available, go ahead and update it to the latest version, and you are basically good to go now. And this is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.